Hey guys, so I'm with my mommy. So more Southern accent's gonna be on today, but we're at home. We're gonna start shopping for some Christmas decor. Not really sure what I'm looking for. I have a general idea, but let's just go inside and see. Go ahead and click the subscribe button if you're new here. I put up lots of fashion videos, but of course, because it's the holidays, I have holiday styling videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I post a lot of content there as well. Quickest, shortest intro ever. Let's go ahead and get started.
You would look so cute in my kitchen. And she said, you should be my daughter instead of my daughter-in-law.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, I love the photo.
This is so pretty.
This looks like a little army of peppers.
Isn't that pretty though?
Oh, that is huge. Yes. It would look cute having an assortment of different.
I know. I want like a. Looks like here.
But I like how heavy it is.
There's some different ones. I also love these. These are really nice.
The prices seem real reasonable to me.
Yeah. Oh, that's what I love at home for that reason. Look, and you can get specific ornaments. Okay, here. Is this the same size? Ooh, this one's pretty too. Look. So if I did like a.
Look, that one's rose gold. And this one's more of a pewtery. Those three would look cute together.
You think so?
I can only tell by the price. What about that one? Is that one not big?
That one is, but that one's like
that
this
was a different color.
Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. Look at these, mama.
Oh, that is so pretty.
Look at these. I am obsessed with these, but I want them in a set.
Why a set? Just fit
Multiples. Mm-hmm.
$3.99.
Look, these are matte too. Matte black.
I saw those. There's some over here too that are black.
I'm doing white, gold, and black. That's my thing. Oh, I'm loving this. Look at this. The copper with the blue.
I want a lighter teal.
These are pretty.
Oh, that is.
See? Oh my gosh. I am like so impressed. Okay, can you guys see me? I am so impressed with the store. I like can't believe it. Look at these. Oh, how cute.
I love the acorns. I always have. Look at these.
I want like big ones though. Like I want big, no, but like big, yeah. And if I can't, then let's remember these and I'll come back and get these.
Okay.
Oh, look how pretty. Those are gorgeous. Look at those. See, if I can even get that in gold.
You probably can.
I love these big balls. I'm like, I cannot. I need a tree this big. Like, when I get my 12-foot of it,
The scale. It's sitting in my attic.
I love it. They're crooked. I'm sorry. Ooh, these are pretty. Okay, so my mom just went to the bathroom. My mom just went to the bathroom. There's not a ton of people in here, so I can take my mask off. I'm looking for big acorns. These are pretty though. These are really.
Look, I'm gonna lay that in my corner.
Okay, how many was that? It's just one? So I'm thinking maybe, I was gonna say, what do you think, maybe 4, and I put 2, but I could also do, so pretty, so these are their picks. They have so many picks here.
That must be the only pick.
They've got like a silver, I really wanted to do,
Maybe they had black.
I know, I wanted to do black picks, but I'm so impressed with this store.
There's the placemat.
Wait, hold on.
I wouldn't really want a Christmas.
I'll take an R or an F.
Here's a red R. You're looking for a gold.
M and S.
Here's a gold in burlappy.
M?
Here's an M and S in this one. Oh, you got them both. Cute. Oh, here's where my little...
I literally have no idea what I would even do with this, but I want it.
So cute.
I want it.
I want you.
Ooh, Mom, look at this. We're gonna get lanterns when we build. We're gonna have lanterns like this hang outside our door. But like built in.
I'm obsessed with lanterns. You ones that work?
Mm-hmm. Oh my freaking gosh.
That is $9.99. Wow. I could get it at Dollar Tree.
You really could. This is heavenly though.
I wanted something like this but in gold.
I love these. One day I want a console table behind my sofa and I want to put big candles in them like this.
I love those. So cute.
Oh my gosh, they have candlesticks on candlesticks.
$8.99. I don't feel like that's a steal. Not at all. I feel like I can be cheaper somewhere else.
Big Lots.
Big Lots.
I think Big Lots is where I got mine, or Hobby Lobby. We're going there today. Outside. It's like 73, so I took my cardigan off, but we did some damage. Got stuff up here too. I got a rug. Super excited. Got a little table, 3 Christmas trees, all these ornaments. All right, guys, so we are home now, or I guess I'm home. I actually took my mom back home. Yeah, I did some damage. I'm not sure if you guys can really see it all, but it's pretty intense. We got a lot of stuff. So if I haven't said it on camera yet, my theme this year is black, white, and gold. The reason being is because I'm gonna have kids in a couple years, maybe a few years. We're not quite sure yet when we want to have them, but we know that, you know, I'm not getting any younger, so within the next few years we will have some kids, and I want to do the traditional red and green when I have kids, because that was always like really fun for me as a kid, was like seeing the red and the green. It just screamed Christmas to me. So I kind of want to do the more fun, like modern type stuff now. I mean, I know I could do it, but you know, I really loved the red and green. So black, white, and gold is the theme this year. I guess I'll start with Hobby Lobby. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I got. I don't think I can really link anything for you guys, but I mean, honestly, part of the fun with Hobby Lobby is going. And I don't think I can link anything from at home too, but I could be wrong about that. So one thing that I got that is not holiday related is this. I got it for my office. It's just little pairs of glasses and I thought it was really, really cute. So I actually used my 40% off for this, the little like online coupon, because all of the Christmas stuff was on sale at Hobby Lobby. So it was all on sale for 50% off. Okay, I got these black ornaments. They didn't have any matte in here. They've got like some geometric shapes, some glitter, and then some like more, I can't think what that shape is called. Like pointed options, I guess. This is a 50-piece set for 20 bucks. So this is where I got the black ornaments from. I also did get some from at home, but I'll show you guys those in a second. And then I had some like this that I got last year from Big Lots. And I actually looked at Big Lots and they didn't have them this year, so I got a few more just like fuzzy little furry ones because I think they're really cool. So I got some like white from at home as well. Now these are from Amazon. This ribbon is really cool and modern. I'm not gonna put a ton of this in my tree this year, but I do still want it to be incorporated, so it's gonna look really, really nice when it's all said and done. I cannot wait to see the tree. But I also got loads of ribbon. Like Hobby Lobby is my favorite place to get ribbon. So I got this white ribbon that when you, it's like this shape when it is like undone, I guess. And so I got some of this in like the white metallic. I got 3 of those. And the reason I have so much ribbon is because I have garland in multiple places to put ribbon on, and in past years I've kind of just stuck some picks down in them, but I think this year I want my garland to just have ribbon in it. So I also got this black with glitter ribbon, so it's like basically got glitter on the outside and it's matte on the inside. I got 3 of those. I also got from Hobby Lobby, I got a bunch of gold ribbon, really, really thick gold ribbon, and it all has wires in it. These are like 90 feet a piece, so I only got 2. And then I also got black and gold ribbon. So I got this because this will kind of incorporate my black and gold that I have together. By the way, comment section, tell me below, what is your favorite Christmas drink from Starbucks? I'm drinking a grande peppermint mocha with non-fat milk. Just doing something as simple as changing your drink to non-fat at Starbucks cuts out like 300 calories. It's crazy. The rest of what I got from Hobby Lobby were picks. So picks go in your tree. They're very gorgeous. I've always loved them. My parents did picks a few years ago, maybe when I was in like high school, so it's actually been a lot longer now. Probably like 10 years ago. And I loved the way it looked so much that I've always loved picks in my own tree. So I got a bunch of gold ones from Hobby Lobby, and I bought white from At Home. Okay, so I got these picks here. They look like little starbursts. Super fun. I already have some gold picks actually from previous years. And if you take care of your picks, they will freaking last. I don't know why. Like, they just don't tear up. The glitter doesn't come off of them. I think I've had the gold picks that I used, maybe this might be my 6th year using them, and they're still, like, they look brand new. So these are the other ones I got from Hobby Lobby, and I love them. I get like 6 of each so that I can do them evenly on either side at the top of my tree. And then I also got these from Hobby Lobby. I got 4 of them to put on my dinner table. They're kind of like a coppery gold color, because last year I got a little like deer welcome sign that's white that goes in the center, so I just thought they were cool. I may not use them, I don't know, but they're really nice. All right, I think that's all from Hobby Lobby. So the rest of it is At Home stuff. And At Home, I was very impressed with the prices. I got all of this stuff for such a good price. So I got 3 pillar candles because I do have big candles, and I wanted some actual candles to sit on them this year, not just like my like jarred candles, I guess. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. So as you guys saw at Home, they have all their stuff categorized by like color and style, which I adore because it just makes it so easy if you're doing what I'm doing and you have a theme. Like, it just makes shopping so easy. So I got these, and they were $4 a piece. I got these. So I love, obviously, the little furry. I think they're super fun. So I got these little white ones. I think this is a collaboration of At Home and Grace Mitchell. $4 a piece. I got 6 of these. I also got salmon eyes, some new stockings because our stockings are just old. I got an M and an S, and they will hang from our fireplace mantle. I love them. They're a little girly, but Sam is a trooper. He lets me kind of go crazy during the holiday season. I also got some bigger balls. So I love the bigger size. You can definitely see how much like bigger they are here, just a little bit, but they are significantly larger than the black ones. I'm sorry, it's so reflective, but I wanted some like bigger sizes, so I got these in gold. I also got more black ornaments. I got the matte black in these because I just wanted, like, you can never have too many ornaments, and honestly, this year we changed our tree, so it's a flocked Christmas tree. It is massive. Like, I'm just not gonna have enough ornaments to decorate if I just would have kept what I used last year. So I definitely needed some more. So I got these, and they're all shatterproof, and it's 16 pieces for $4. So I got those. And then I got 2 of these white ones that look like there's snow on them. Can you guys see that? And then I also got these bigger ones that are shatterproof. So it's 6 of these for $5, and they're like glitter, and they're very large, which I love. All right, next. Got this little canister, no idea where it's going, don't care. Gonna find a place because it's adorable. And they had a lot of this stuff, so it's like 20 bucks, and I love it. I just think it's super fun. Like, you could put anything in there. I got 2 of these, and 1 of these, they are a little bit different in size. This one's a little bit larger. So they are like these gold metallic-y, like little Christmas trees, and they had so many options. Again, I love that they have everything by theme. So like, you could literally find, if you want to do a woodsy theme, like you could find woodsy looking little Christmas trees. You could find blue ones. You could find anything under the sun. At Home has it. So needless to say, I was a little overwhelmed / very impressed. And then the last thing that I got holiday related, I did get some stuff for my office, but I already have it moved back there. The last thing I got are some white picks. So I wanted to get 4 of these like really cool whimsical white picks. I think they'll just look really good in the tree with the gold. And then, oh, this is actually for my office too. This was on clearance. just like a little black and gold box. So I got it for like 10 bucks. And then this isn't holiday related either, but I still love them, so I wanted to share. I got these coasters. They are marble and they have a gold R on them. And they were like 10 bucks. And I made the poor lady look for these because the like barcode wasn't on here. And the lady had like gone back, another worker had gone back and was like looking for the one similar to it so she could get the like QR code, I think is what it's called. And they couldn't find it before she found it online, but love these. So that is really everything. I'm going to film a video on how I decorate my tree. So if you want to see what it looks like, just make sure that you check back and I will share it with you guys. This is a lot of stuff. It's going to be a little overwhelming, but I cannot wait to get started decorating. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you are new here. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, stay sane, and I'll see you in my next video.